Right, hello. I hope you're doing really well, and I hope you're looking after yourself. Just give me a video message, give you a bit of an update on OneNote and how we're working that. So, just on here, if you are struggling to get into OneNote, you need to let me know. You've just got to log into OnUnify, click onto your mail, go onto the mail, find the email off me, and then once you've got that email, click on 7x2 or 8x3. I'm doing this for both the classes, and it should just come up. Now I've put a user guide as a task, the previous task of this, of how to log in. So use that user guide, or just do what I've just said. If that doesn't work, then send me an email, dablewhite@trentham.academy.co.uk, and I'm more than happy to help. Right, so I've just done some changes to it. So again, just come over here. Now, 7x2 and 8x3, it's all the same. We've previously been working off this daily work tick list, okay, but I've changed it. I've basically gone into your areas, and down here, if I'm looking at Amber's, or if I go into 8x3, exactly the same here for 2 seconds, Amelia. I've put dates in for each one of these here. So 30th of March. We're on the week beginning the 30th of March, so you need to know what week it is, yeah? And then inside there, I've put inside your work, 30th of March, 2 secs. Inside 30th of March, I've put the task for that week in there. Now, 7x2, you're on algebra. So here are some PowerPoints that are going to support you. Look at the PowerPoints, do the activities inside there, and I can put a print out of the work. So rather than you faffing around going into the content library or wondering where do I do my work, and Mr. Ablewhite going through all the work going, wow, where's this kid put their work and things like that. Basically, because I've labelled all of them by the dates, you know where to put your work. You're working on whatever date it is. So this week, you're on the 30th of March, whether you're 8x3 or 7x2, you're on the 30th of March, and that's where you need to go. So obviously, after Easter, when we get back, it'll be the 20th of April, and that'll be where I put your work for after Easter. If you have not done some of the previous stuff because you've not been able to access it, or you've been lazy, then obviously you can do some of that over Easter. And ideally, while you're off, you can possibly take your learning in other directions where you find something interesting. You go, oh, right, okay, I'll spend some more time on that. The other thing I was going to say was, if at any point you're struggling with this, go on to MathsWatch. So if you're solving an equation, there's brackets, and you go, how do I do brackets? Go on to MathsWatch, go on to YouTube. You can find out these answers. Persevere, okay? The other thing that I've done on here, which I think is quite nice, is on every one section, you've got an other thing here. So what I would quite like from the classes, I've put in here some of the things that I find interesting. So I watched this video yesterday, and it knocked my head off, but it was absolutely brilliant. Watch that. It's all about how the ancient Egyptians figured out that the earth was round and wasn't flat. I've been playing loads of Rocket League, trying to get into that, trying to learn that. And I put this in here because my posture, because I've been, I don't know, on my phone, on my laptop, playing Rocket League, whatever it may be, my posture's gone horrific. And I bet there's a couple of you watching this video are thinking, do you know what, I am slouching a bit. So I put that video in there because I've decided, do you know what, I need to do something about that. So if you've got something else, I spoke about starting nice chains off with you in your class where you do something nice and it starts something nice going off in your house. You need to look after yourselves, you need to look after your mental health, you need to keep yourself interested, keep your brain working and stimulated. So if you've got something that you find interesting, or you just want to have a bank to put some things, or there's something you want to show me, that'd be really cool, and I'd quite enjoy looking at some of them. And I have looked at some of the work. This is going to make it easier for me to look at your work and just instantly go to, right, 30th of March, I can see what you've done on there. So you're working in them exact areas. So it's easier for you to find your work, and it's easier for me to find your work, and I'll get some more marking done like that. So that's everything, I think. Yeah. Keep up to date with the work and look after yourselves. Thank you.